Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend is here. We got another special unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And here we go. Let's see what they sent. Oh. Nice and secured tape. Cut there. Cut there. Everywhere gets a cut. Oh boy. This is coming from Dragon Touch. Ooh, baby. Look at this. Nice little tablet right here. HD 10-inch screen, IPS display, 32 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM, Octa-Core, 2.5D screen glass, compatible keyboard optional. Sweet. Alright, there's side, Dragon Touch. Just touch. And this is their Notepad 102 HD screen. Definitely need a new one of these. Here we go. Great for binge watching Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN, UFC, WWE, all the great apps we have in Peacock and all of them now. So this will be a nice one to watch movies on. Plays games, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, new, I think the Series X also, and Xbox One, PS4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, that's for sure. Here we go, let's take a look. We're going to test this thing out, show you all the cool little features it has. So grab some popcorn, sit back, and if I can open this. Alright, here we go. DragonTouch.com. You can also check them out on their website. But for all you Amazonos with Amazon, I'll leave that link also. So your choice. Just take a look and see what they got available. And you'll be very happy. Great company though. So I mean, you don't need to spend those thousands of dollars on iPad, so save your money this year. Get one of these, guys. Just the same thing as they do, but better and cheaper. So if you guys are on a budget, want something different, where you could either watch movies, stream games. I'm hoping this could stream Luna, but I'm thinking Luna's more for iPhones and stuff, so I'm gonna have to stream the Xbox Game Pass on it. I know that works okay. I think that's it. So this is a basic one. Put that right in here. There we go. That's out. So USB charger, the manual, and a reset key. I don't think I need the manual, because I know I'm going to have to set up the Wi-Fi, all that good stuff. So might do a little pause and user manual. And we're good to go on that subject. And now it's time to turn on the beast. Alright. Here we go. Alright, Dragon Touch. Let's see. Don't mind you gotta peel this off. This is really thin too, lightweight. Right there, docking station for others. And side, volume, power. Camera, nice silver, just a nice color. Headphone jack, possibly. There's where the memory card goes. You can put memory in there. So these are the speakers down here. Okay. Just peel this off. And make sure you buy some screen cleaner and screen protectors and all that goody accessories. There we go. Don't need that anymore. Take a look at the screen now since it's Ooh, there I am. It's a nice looking screen though. Alright, let's turn her on. 1, 2. Android. Dragon Touch. So definitely I could probably use the Game Pass. Let's get one of the stands and have it like stand like that. Oops, there I am. Dragon Touch. Okay. Just 1 second, I'm gonna pause you guys. I gotta connect my Wi-Fi, so hold on. Guys, we got it set up now. The Dragon Touch 102. There we go. Got to enter my password. There we go. I just downloaded one app that's from my camera from my house. So I'm going to take a look at that really sec. And then hopefully it loads. I've been having camera issues. There we go. Nice clear screen. Like I said, might want to get a glass cleaner or a screen cleaner. Gets a little smudgy finger dots. Oops. Here we go. Looking good. I'm going to check YouTube out. See how that video looks. I'm not going to play a movie on this just because of copyright. It has Google Assistant on it. YouTube. Maps. So any Android app you have, this will have. Oh, I don't want music. Shoot. YouTube, I'll just type it in. Now let's pull up my YouTube channel. And I'll pull up my videos. And then, here we go, see. Wow, this is pretty cool though. Oops. Have a good night with this company at third party of Turtle Beach. Here we go. Rotating hinges. Whoa. Looks really good. Detachable mic. Great for movies. Games would be sweet on it. Pretty much. This is it right here. That's perfect for you guys. It's 12-hour streams on Twitch. There we go. And then, like I said, oops. Yeah, it's easy to use, guys. Really nice for video conferencing. You could do Zoom calls. Great for schoolwork. Reading tablet also you could do. You could do Kindles. Be great for gaming. So this is a perfect one if you guys are on a budget this year, or a nice little Christmas gift to give somebody. So instead of paying the thousands of dollars for an iPad, but this will be a nice little gift. Like I said, you can stream movies, do pretty much everything. Get the wireless keyboard or virtual keyboard you could do. Has Google Assistant and all your Android apps. So got dual, you could do camera, phone. Wow, that good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. Set that all up, and then pretty much it's simple to use, easy. But picture looks good, great quality, lightweight, great for travel. And that's about it. So, I mean, the specs, hold on one sec. Yeah, it has 3 gigs of RAM. Android version is number 10. And so you could do all this. So pretty much like your phone, has everything: display, battery, dark theme. That's why I'm going to turn the brightness up. And then eye comfort, you could do wallpaper. You could choose your own photos for that. Storage is right there, 24% used, 24 gigs left. And yeah, this is definitely a good one, guys. So check them out. Dragon Touch links will be down below. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe and see you soon.